Okay guys, I got this beetle bag for Japanese beetles, and I'm putting it together. As soon as I get it together, I will show you. And you can see there, it's pretty simple, but it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's probably 1.5 feet long altogether, and you hang it up outside just like so, like that, and the beetles drop down in there. So okay guys, so you can see that little round thing in there. It smells like mentholated fruit for some reason. Very interesting. I put the little nipple thing out there. I don't know what that's for, but the directions weren't very clear, so hopefully this works out for me. You can see how big the bag is. Now I'm doing this inside. I have it open, the little thing, follow the directions, but this is a trap. This is not a poison that kills your Japanese beetles. It's a trap. And so the good thing about that is that whatever falls in this little bag, you can feed to your chickens, which is awesome because chicken food, free chicken food, and they love them. And so that is awesome. So let's go outside and we'll see how this works. And you need to put it in an area where it's downwind, so they are attracted to it right away. And right away I see, so you can see the damage that the Japanese beetle does. And I've literally picked them off of my sweet potato vine here. And it's still growing, still full, but it's because I've been spraying it with neem oil, which also works against the Japanese beetle, but the rain gets to it. Another thing about this trap is that when it's raining, you need to bring it inside. Luckily, it does not rain very much here in Tennessee, but when it does, it rains like crazy because this little trap, the little round thing that's in there, doesn't attract as well when it's been raining. So let's go ahead and hang this up and see if it attracts any of our beetles. And oh my goodness, look at all this tomatoes I have to pick. So they have also been getting my, you can see the damage. This damage is from the Japanese beetle and also from the cucumber bug. The cucumber bug makes it like, and you can see right there is a little cucumber bug. So that is what a cucumber bug looks like. So I smashed him good. And I'm just going to go ahead and hang this up here real quick. Just a minute. I also have stink bugs in my backyard, as you can see there. That one right there. Just knocked him off. So hopefully that attracts the bugs, and we'll see. What happens is they go in here and they slam against the plastic of it. Probably would work better if I could hang it in a tree or something. I wonder if I should go ahead and hang it on my sunflower over there. That might work better. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll come back later and I'll show you if that caught anything today. So God bless you guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Well guys, I've been out here like 3 times to see if there's any beetles. Get out of there, Norman. Get out of there. Get out of my garden on this thing. And there isn't, but I'm not seeing any beetles in my backyard today. And I wonder if they took off. Well, there's one that just flew over my garden, but didn't stop by. I wonder if they took off because I sprayed neem oil on everything and it's still working. But I'll come back in another hour and see if we catch any beetles in this thing. Bag's totally empty. Highly recommended by all kinds of people. So I thought I'd try it. My sister-in-law recommended it. So did a bunch of other people. So we'll see tomorrow if there's anything in there, and maybe it will make a video. I don't know. If not, it will make a video anyways because it didn't work. All right. Good morning, guys. I'm coming out to water and check the beetle bag. Beetle, well, that's a bee, just flew by me. Didn't rain last night. And the result is, folks, the trap works. I guess I don't have as many beetles in here as I used to, but are flying around. But we have 2 beetles in the trap. So the trap does work. They do get stinky after a while, from what I've heard. So be prepared for that. So it works. So that is the result of our beetle bag. This is the Japanese beetle, still alive. They'll die in there. But there you go. So our trap works, and I look forward to catching a lot more because they'll last a really long time. They say as long as you do not have rain get on. As long as rain does not get on that part of the trap there. So, and as you look around my yard, you don't see any of the beetles flying around. And guys, I think this is hours later, and this is what our beetle trap looks like now. Look at that. Full of beetles. Totally full. Trying to escape. There's some live ones in there. There's some little ones and big ones. And I'm glad I got it because there's a lot of little ones, which tells me that they were reproducing, and we would have had a lot more. And then they would have lived in the ground and got whoever's garden is here next year. So that's it. The trap works. Hallelujah. So we are so excited about that. No more damage like that. You guys have a great day. Go chase your dreams. I'm chasing mine. And as always, God bless. Bye.